Struggling with USB capability problem on your MP3 device? In this tutorial we have got you covered. Discover the secret to ensuring your USB drive works seamless with your MP3 player. From understanding the right USB format to troubleshooting common issues, we will walk you through step by step. Say goodbye to frustrating and hello to the hassle-free music playback. Watch now and unlock the key to making your USB device your ultimate music companion. So the number one option, audio online converter challenges. We get it. You have tried online converters only to find that they don't quite deliver the capability you need. That's where our guide come in. Learn how to effortlessly convert audio files to the MP3 format, a gold standard for device capability. The first option, this is the best option ever. You can just use the Audacity. For Audacity, just open any browser. Once you open the browser, just search for Audacity and download it. Once you have downloaded the Audacity, now what you need to do is you need to download the MP4 library for your Audacity. For MP4 library, simply you need to search here the MP4 Audacity plugin. Go on the FAQ, install the FFmpeg import export library. Now click on the installing FFmpeg and here we go. If you are looking for the Windows, then click on this link. Otherwise you can just select your operating system from here and then click on the link. Now on this section, simply you need to download this for 64-bit Windows operating system or for 32-bit. I'm using 64-bit, so simply download the 64-bit. I have already downloaded and installed, so I'm not going further with this. After finishing this work, now it's so easy to convert your MP4 file into the MP3. Just open your Audacity. Now simply click on the file and import your file. You can import any file. The MKV even work on this. Here you can see I'm using MKV and that's it. Now again just click on the file and this time we are exporting as an MP3. Select the location and click on save. Once you have done this, your audio file is now ready. Now the second point is more important, but that's not all. We have uncovered the secret to hassle-free playback on your MP3 device, the right USB format. Did you know that using the exFAT format can significantly enhance capability with MP3 devices? It's true. No more frustrating, just smooth, seamless playback. For that, just click on this PC once again and insert your USB. Once you import your USB, right click on this, click on format and make sure to select the FAT32 or exFAT for your MP3 device. Once you have done this, now simply import your audio music into your USB. And that's it. Whether you are an audiophile or just love your tunes, this guide has you covered. Join us as we dive into the world of online MP3 converters and ensure your audio files are ready for any device, anywhere. See you in the next video. Till then, just take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.